Hi guys, my name is Shige at Glory International. Today, I'm going to introduce you BGA Radiance Booster Essence. We have succeeded in blending BGA fermented extract by 78%. Molecule level of BGA with abundant nutrients becomes very small by fermentation, and it can easily reach deep into your skin. Since BGA is stem cell, it repairs deteriorated cells and also recreate brand new cells to rejuvenate your skin. There are 3 remarkable components included. First, vitamin C. Vitamin C works to prevent the generation of melanin, which causes pigmentation and dullness, and breaks down active oxygen to protect skin cell genes from UV damage. Second, Kappaphycus alvaregii extract. Kappaphycus protects telomere, which protects the end of chromosome, which is of DNA. Telomere generally shortens as body cells divide, and once telomere becomes shortest, body cells no longer can divide, and it leads to deterioration of skin turnover. In recent years of research, Kappaphycus is considered as an ideal component of anti-aging, as it could limit telomere shortening. Third, diacetyl extract. During the first 2 to 3 hours of sleep, it is so-called Cinderella time for skin, and this is the timing of secretion of growth hormone that promotes skin division and rejuvenation. The growth hormone secreted at this moment is said to be effective in preventing the development of kinesin that causes pigmentation, so that diacetyl is considered as ideal component for beauty effect. BGA Radiance Booster Essence, including those fermented 3 components, is specialized in rejuvenation of skin. You can expect to get your youthful skin back and maintain the condition by everyday care with the booster. Moreover, BGA Booster can facilitate any effects of cosmetics you will apply after. You will see the better result for any specific concerns on your skin with using the booster together. Not to mention, it will deliver the best result with using the same series together. Thank you for watching the video today. Please feel free to contact me anytime if you have any questions. You can reach me by phone, by email, WhatsApp, Line, WeChat, whichever you're comfortable with. For the next video, I will introduce you the other product in the same series called BGA Stem Cell Serum. So please check out the next video to get more understanding of BGA Stem Cell series. I hope to see you soon. Bye!